What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So today we have this one. Find the original array of prefix Xor. You are given integer array breadth of size n. Find return array that satisfies this condition. Note that this denotes bitwise XOR. It can be proven that answer is unique. Okay. So and answer. Okay. So how big is this? Is at least one. Okay. So. Push back is gonna be pref of 0 and diet 1. I less than, let me actually do n in here. Okay, less than n I plus plus let's say as dot push back and push back. And so I minus 1 XOR pref of I. Okay, let's see. Okay, first this gets wrong. First this case is wrong. Okay, so to do 2, we got 7, then we're gonna 7, we have 2. Because 5 XOR 2 is 7. So 5 XOR 2 is 7. Okay, 5 XOR 2 is 7. Then we have oh, it has to be 5 XOR 7 XOR 2. Actually. So this okay. Okay, so so I'm gonna say for I say a j gets 0 j doesn't equal to I plus plus. So actually this has to be into next. Okay, and this has to be actually this has to be in here. Okay, and now it should be actually this should be less than as dot size. Okay, and this is gonna be okay, actually I think we should start from 1. Okay, and we're gonna say we're gonna say answer 0 actually. We'll say as xor equals next xor equals as of j, and then finally we're gonna say next xor equals pref of I, and we'll say as push back next. Okay. Okay, guys. So, okay. Okay, let's submit. Oh my god, might be time limit exceeded. Yeah, time limit exceeded. Um. Okay, so I think we can combat this by doing this. Okay, and we can just do on each iteration. We can do. Let me get rid of this. Okay, so what can we do? What can we do? I think if we just keep the. Okay, but how would that work? Because we need 3 and then. Okay, hold up a sec. 2, 3, 2. Oh yeah, 2 is here. Okay. So guys, so we are gonna okay, but the problem is okay, so first we want to get all of the ones in here. And then only then we want to do the pref of I. So how does that happen? How would that happen? Yeah, I had a feeling there's gonna be time limit exceeded. Pref of 2. Hold up. Okay, so if I XOR like this, I get 2, and then I push it back, and then okay, how about something like uh hold up, guys. Okay, so we do next XOR equals with pref. Increase of pref. Okay, let's see. Hold up. This is not gonna. This does not work. Does not work. So 7 is equal to 2. Yes. We're actually gonna add that. Okay, hold up. So yeah, dang, this should be like right here, some, and then right, actually, this one XOR of I or something. Okay, no, still not. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so we want everything from up to this point. So this is 0 and 1. This is 0, 1 to 3. And then it's pref of 4. They're equal. Prefix it's pref. Okay, wrong answer again. 2031. Okay, but it seems we are getting the results. We're getting the results. So we're actually getting not the result, we're getting this array. We're getting this, so there's still an improvement. But it sounds like this, but okay, same deal. Same deal. So okay, so I'm gonna set next one let's number Maybe we should be nailed before and after or something. Something like that. Okay, before it's 0. Yo, what? The heck? Oh. That's if I -1. Hold up. So I'm minus. So actually, man, 5x or 2 is 7. So 7x or 2. How about 2x or 5 or something like that? No, it's gonna give the. Is it? Okay, 5. Yeah, it gives the same result. Same result. Okay. So yeah, the problem is all of this becomes 0, and then okay, what the heck happened, bro? Now I all of these. Okay. The problem is we're getting a bunch of zeros. We get 0, so 2, 0, so 0, so 3, 0, so 1. So basically, we want to do you want to actually see out XOR 2. This gives 7. This gives 7. But what the? There's gotta be an 5 XOR 2 is 7, bro. This is 7. So actually we're doing 5 XOR 2. But then we're actually doing 7 XOR 2. So 5 XOR 2, then the last one XOR this one. I'm gonna say if I is equal to 1, I'm gonna say as to push back so I minus 1 XOR provide or some. I'm gonna continue. Otherwise, I'm gonna do as dot push back as I minus 1 XOR with wait, hold up a second. XOR breath of I. Okay, I don't know if it's still wrong. Still wrong. Okay, so I get 2, but then what am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? I'm missing something. I am missing something. Okay, so obviously, like, yeah, 5 XOR 7 is 2. Do we want 2 XOR 2? Okay, let's comment this up, bro. Let's do I minus 1 actually. So I'm okay. Then we're also gonna do we're also gonna do something like this. No, actually, first we're gonna do I. First I. Then breath of I. something like this. Okay, this one's gonna give an error. Okay. Okay, let's see now. So 021. Okay, so we skip 2. 224. Okay, no, it's actually there. Okay, so it's actually -1. Some 57556. Okay, it is not that. No, not that. Okay, so wait, actually we don't want this. We don't want this. The second one, even the second one is not working. So I want which number XOR with this is going to give me 2 basically. 7 to 3, 5 XOR 2 is 7. Okay, come on, I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm very close. So 5 XOR 7 is 2, yes. Wait a second. So what I'm seeing here, so actually we get the first one right, but actually we are using the last one, or what? It has to be 2 XOR 2, bro. Hold up, G. So 5 XOR 7 is 2, of course. Then something XOR. So it's basically which number XOR that's gonna be 0. One, two, three, this is 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is not 7 XOR 2. My mistake is I am doing 7 XOR 2. It is not 7 XOR 2. It is not. Okay, maybe I'm gonna keep a second array where I'm gonna keep these ones or something. So end cur. Okay, I'm gonna say flipping. Me the current one. So shoot, man. Okay, wait. Cur is actually 5 extra 7 is 2. So 7 it is 2. Okay, this is for the first one, so I don't need to do it here. I need to do it somewhere else, bro. I need to do it somewhere else. 5, 7, and 2. Which one of these when you XOR to this equals 0? No, actually I just need to XOR 0 is 2. Then 0 XOR 2 is 3. Then 3 XOR 2 is, then 3 XOR 1 is, 3 XOR 2 is 1. XOR 2. Okay, so we got this. And now I think that this has to be because we have, what do we have? So index is 2. So we have 2 XOR 2, which is 0. Then we have 0 XOR 2, which is 2. Let's see. Damn, bro, what? Yo, I thought I had it, bro. I thought I had it, bro. One, two, three. Okay, no, these are the indices, bro. 7, 7, 7. That's 0. Still wrong. 0, 2, 1. Okay, 0, 3, 1. And then what else? Okay, so that's 0, 3, 1 now. And what? Bruh. Okay, so we do get 0, 3, 1 here, which is an improvement. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, let's submit. Time limit. What? How, bro? Bro, what? Do you mean time limit exceeded, dog? How the heck? I'm running only one loop. How did it give me time limit exceeded? I literally have no idea. The length is 10 to the 5th. What is giving the time limit exceeded, bro? Time limit exceeded. What could possibly be giving that? I have no idea why there's a time limit exceeded right now, bro. There's the size of the array. Pref is 10 to the 5th. So it should work. Like, time limit exceeded. I literally have no clue. I have no idea. Why does it give time limit exceeded? I'm using all of it. I am using big O of N runtime, bro. Why is it giving time limit exceeded now? Like what? Pretty sure this is big O of N. Why is it giving exceeded time limit? What could possibly be doing that? The same thing. Okay, guys, at this point, like, it might be because I'm changing ends during runtime. Might be. But then why didn't it give me here? If that were the case. Like, What to do, what to do, what to do. So, what to do, what to do. Okay, that's probably because of this. Maybe it's because of this. Not sure though. Pretty sure it's the same thing though. Like, it's the same thing. Like, okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's the same thing, bro. Like, same thing. I'm starting to debate if I should ask AI for a hint, because like I've already spent like more than 45 minutes. So I'm debating whether I should ask AI for a little hint. Um, oh no. I almost checked the solutions by accident. Okay, what the heck happened, bro? Bro, what did I do? Okay. Why would it exceed the time limit? Okay, guys, I'm gonna ask a hint from AI. So, so why must this be giving time limits? Limits exceeded. Give a hint. Error loop. Get this line. See how it's a little bit too slow. Oh, really? I mean, bro, but I already commented this out and like it still gave time exceeded, bro. Oh, okay. Guys, we got accepted. We got accepted, guys. Okay, so apparently printing to see out inside a loop is extremely slow on LeetCode. If n is up to 10 to the fifth, you're producing 10 to the fifth lines of output, which is often enough to exceed the time limit. Okay, guys. So basically, yeah, I basically solved. So I'ma say I definitely solved it all by myself, which I'm happy about. I just didn't. I had no idea that printing inside of C++ like this on LeetCode is very slow. But now I'm gonna know that. And yeah, guys, I definitely solved that all by myself, so I'm proud of myself. And so yeah, guys, hey, that took about an hour to solve. That took about an hour to solve, guys. So that just shows, man, be persistent and be just be persistent, be ruthless in a good way. Be Don't give up, and you're gonna get it. Yeah, it took me some time to figure out the logic, but yeah, and I also haven't solved like bit manipulation problems in a while. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys, another medium problem in the books. If you stayed this far into the video, that means you have a great attention span. So write in the comments. Write in the comments. I have an attention span. If you stayed this far, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Every 100 subs on the way to 1K, I'm giving one of you a free PDF with LeetCode and data structures, solving tips and tricks. So you only have to gain. So make sure you subscribe and send me proof on Instagram. Send a screenshot. Send me a screenshot on Instagram that you have subscribed. Okay, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.